Quick disclaimer, today's video is not a woodworking video. As a kid, I had a small collection of these die-cast Ertl tractors, which I was absolutely ecstatic to pass on to my 2-year-old son. This one in particular is a Case 7250, and my son was playing with it one day when the front wheel came off. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this wheel as it fell off of the tractor. I don't know what other models, admittedly, this might work for. I think most of the larger Ertl tractors, the Magnum series and the Premium series for John Deere and Case, this should work for. So we're going to pop out these little tabs on the back. These are for the hubcap. Cap just pulls right off. And you'll see there's this little bushing in there. And I think that is what wore out and allowed the wheel to fall off. So we're going to go ahead and replace this. There's a lovely toy store called Dakota Toy Parts rather, out of North Dakota. And they sent us 2 new bushings. These guys right here. I believe they are part number 01001, but if you reach out to them, let them know what model you have and what size, they'll give you the part number. So we're going to go ahead and take these out. We're going to take one. You look at it, compares pretty closely to the old one. It's a little bit thinner on first glance. Hopefully that's just because this old one is worn out and stretched by the bolt and all the rotations. So we're going to take this wheel, pop in that new bushing right there, get it to stay, and then we're going to take our tractor here, and you can see there's the axle right there that the wheel came off of, and we're going to push this on. Now the bushing is a press fit, so it's not really going to want to go on very well. So here's what we're going to do. I've got a 1/4-inch socket that I know is going to slide over the axle and not damage it, but it will interface with the bushing, provide a nice round surface to get even pressure on there. So I'm going to put that on. I'm just going to tap it with the hammer lightly. And not wanting to go super well, so I might actually switch to well, yeah, we're gonna hit it a couple more times. All right, so we're getting on, but it looks like we actually fractured this bushing. So thankfully we have 2. Yeah, it looks like we fractured the plastic. So we're gonna go a little bit gentler this time. I'm gonna put this new one in. I'm gonna put it on. And here's what I'm gonna do different. So I'm gonna put this bushing over, take the socket, push it over, get that hand tight over there. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a clamp like this, bar clamp. You can use a quick grip clamp, wouldn't make a difference. Actually, I'm going to switch to that right now, so this will be easier to manipulate. So we're going to get the clamp on one side, on the other wheel. We're going to put our socket on there and apply nice, slow, even pressure. We're actually pretty good. Yeah, so we're seated there. We got the bushing slipped over the end of the washer, or the end of the axle, you can see there. And now we're just going to pop our hubcap back in. Just like new. Well, other than the fact that the whole assembly is pretty wiggly, but that's a repair for a different day if ever. This will get my son back and playing, and I think he's going to love it. Cheers.